Managing a website has never been easier or more affordable with cPanel, the industry's most popular and user-friendly control panel. At RSH Web Services, we provide cPanel hosting that brings together all the tools you need in one central dashboard, offering seamless control over your account, domains, and website management. With cPanel, you gain access to over 80 powerful features that simplify the management of your website, email accounts, databases, and online applications. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to navigate, whether you're a small boutique web shop, a large corporation, or a freelance tech professional, anyone can use cPanel. One standout feature of our cPanel service is Softaculous, which offers access to over 350 scripts, allowing you to quickly install apps, create pages, and integrate tools that enhance your website's functionality and appeal. Whether you're building a blog, an e-commerce site, or a portfolio, cPanel's extensive toolkit makes the process smoother and more efficient. Why settle for less when you can have it all with RSH Web Hosting Services? From managing multiple domains to installing WordPress and beyond, cPanel provides the control you need to run your website the way you want. It's the ultimate feature matrix for website management, designed to work for everyone, regardless of technical skill. Get started today and experience the best hosting with RSH Web Services. Empower your website management with cPanel, the ultimate tool for full control.